Ready to turn sci-fi fantasies into real-life robots? Let's get designing. First off, grab a notebook and start sketching your ideas. Dream big, because this is where imagination meets engineering. Next, we jump into CAD, computer-aided design. Imagine drawing your robot on the computer, but in 3D. This software helps us visualize every nut and bolt before we even touch a tool. Once our design is solid, it's time for the magic of 3D printing. Picture your ideas coming to life layer by layer right in front of you. This isn't just cool, it's crucial for making sure every part fits perfectly, but we're not done yet. Now, we assemble our prototype. This is where the real fun begins. From screwing in tiny bolts to wiring up circuits, every step is a mix of creativity and precision. And there you have it, a functional prototype ready for testing and tweaking. Stay tuned as we continue our journey into the incredible world of robotics. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more geeky goodness. #robotics design #CAD #3 DP printing #tech design.